In the early 1990s, two extraordinary natural events demonstrated the profound and interconnected nature of global environmental systems. The 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines and the subsequent 1993 storm of the century, showcasing how a single geological event could trigger a cascade of meteorological consequences that would impact millions of lives across the globe. On June 15, 1991, Mount Pinatubo unleashed one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions of the 20th century. Located in the Philippines' Luzon Island, the volcano erupted with a violence that would reshape global climate patterns and human landscapes. The scale of the eruption was staggering. Approximately 10 cubic kilometers of volcanic material were ejected into the atmosphere, creating an ash cloud that reached an unprecedented height of 22 miles or 35 kilometers. Approximately 847 people lost their lives directly from the eruption, with an additional estimated 2,000 deaths attributed to indirect consequences such as respiratory disease, infrastructure collapse, and subsequent environmental disruptions. Over 200,000 people were displaced, creating a humanitarian crisis that would take years to resolve. What made the Pinatubo eruption particularly significant was its massive injection of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. Approximately 20 million tons of this compound were released, creating a global atmospheric phenomenon known as a volcanic winter. The eruption triggered a measurable global temperature drop of 0.5 degrees Celsius, disrupting weather patterns and creating a ripple effect that would be felt for years to come. This volcanic winter is directly attributed to the 1993 storm of the century that affected the Americas, all the way from Canada to the Honduras, creating hurricane-force winds, tornadoes, and blizzards. Over 300 people died from this storm, and it caused over $5 billion in damages.